It's in the shelf right here, in the block area.
Oh. You know you can do that on the watch, right?
No. I can.
I'll show you later. Yeah.
I'll show you that later. All right. Does anybody remember the title of our book?
Yeah!
What is it?
Ding
The Doorbell Rang. That's right. The Doorbell Rang, and the author is Pat Hutchins. Are there a lot of kids on the cover of this book?
Yeah.
Are there a lot of kids on our carpet?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, so the doorbell rang. We remember what this is about. What happens in this story?
I know. The kids ring the doorbell and then they share cookies.
That's right, and they share cookies. Do they have enough cookies every time? Oh goodness. They have to work out their problem. All right, let's do our reading song. Ready?
Yeah.
Clap, 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 clap. The author writes the book. The author writes the book. Time from the stereo. The author writes the book. And the illustrator makes the pictures. The illustrator makes the pictures. Baño, time from the stereo. The illustrator makes the pictures. You are thinking I mean pictures.
Yeah.
Sit down, bud.
The pictures.
Not pictures. The picture right here. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
See how it starts. Do we remember?
Yeah.
How many kids start out at the table?
2.
2 kids. We have 1.
2.
How many more do we need?
2.
We need 1.
2. 3.
How many more do we need?
2.
We have 1.
2.
We need 1 more kid. We need 1 more. Come on up, Heather. So I made some cookies for tea, said Ma. I have some cookies here for tea. Say good.
Good.
So we're going to give out some plates. We had to improvise with the baby.
One to the crazy baby.
We're starving. Say, I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Share them between yourselves. I made plenty. So now Heather's going to get 6 cookies. Can you help me count?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6.
6.
How many does the baby get? 6. Help me count. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do they have the same?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
they have the same. Uh-oh. That's how many each? 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's. They say they smell good, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. How many friends are at the door?
2.
2 friends are at the door. Cruz, right here. Jadis, right here. Jadis, stay right there, bud. Jadis, right here.
Yeah.
It's on there. To the bathroom? Go ahead. All right. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. So how many cookies does everybody need? 3 cookies. So Heather, can you give 3 cookies to Cruz?
Yeah.
Give 3. You're going to give them to Cruz.
1,
Good job, Heather. That's 3. All right. So I'm going to help the baby give out 3 to Jadis. 1,
2, 3.
Good job. Does everybody have the same?
Yeah.
All right. Say, they smell, say, that's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's. And they look good. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma. And
Ding dong.
how many friends are at the door?
2.
2 friends are at the door. Angelica and Emmanuel, you can come up over here.
Okay.
All right, you're going to have to take care of the baby now.
I
All right. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. So how many cookies are everybody going to get?
2.
2 cookies everybody's going to get. So that's 2 each. So now, Heather, how can we figure this out?
2.
2? You're going to give 2? I think maybe we'll try to give 1.
1.
See what happens if you give 1.
1.
If you're going to give 1 to Manny. Let's see what happens. Can you take 1 from the baby also? You're going to put it on your plate. Jadis, can you come give Angelica 1? Cruz, can you come give Angelica 1? 1? Yep, 1. Right here. Does everybody have 2 cookies each?
And I know.
Are you ready? Say, they look as good as Grandma's. Say, they look as good as Grandma's. And they smell good too. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma. And
Ding dong!
ding dong. How many friends are at the door?
5.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So how many plates do we need to put at the table?
6.
6 plates. We have 1.
2.
Here, Angelica, you want to sit over here? I mean, not Angelica. Anaya, right here? You're fine, baby. I know. You scooch over, baby. I meant Anaya. I'm sorry. So, Angel, come on over. Adrian, come on over. Angel,
Angel.
right here. Just pick a plate. If you don't have a plate, you can just come pick one. Naya, back up, baby.
Adrian.
Come sit. I promise we have done this multiple times. Erica, come sit in front of a plate. Does everybody have a plate?
Yeah.
We're missing a plate, though. Did we lose a plate over there? Here, grab this right here. We'll just use this as a plate. We got this.
I'm not playing.
Let's count.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
12. Oh my goodness.
12.
So come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies.
Come on.
How many cookies each is it going to be for
1.
everybody?
1.
1 cookie each. So if you have cookies, you got to go give 1 cookie to somebody that does not have a cookie.
Adrian.
Go ahead, go give a cookie to somebody that does not have a cookie. Go ahead, 1 cookie. Jadis, go give 1 cookie to Erica. 1 cookie.
I don't got a cookie.
You're going to give 1 cookie. Can you give 1 cookie to Anaya?
Yeah.
1 cookie to Ariane. 1 cookie.
I think who's going to need to use the bathroom? 1. Who has 2 cookies?
The crazy baby.
Crazy baby. Angelica, can you go give 1 cookie to Adrian? Just 1 cookie.
1.
Does everybody have 1 cookie?
Yeah.
Let's look around. Even Crazy Baby has 1 cookie. All right. That's 1 each. So you're going to say, they smell as good as Grandma.
They smell like Grandma.
And they look good too.
They look good too.
No one makes cookies like Grandma, son, Ma. And the doorbell.
Ding dong.
Uh-oh. Do we have enough cookies?
No.
Oh, no. And the doorbell goes,
Ding dong.
oh, dear, said Ma. And the children stared at their plates. Look at your plates.
Play.
Do you have enough cookies?
No.
Oh, no. Perhaps you should eat them before we open the door. But Sam says, there's Sam. Say, we'll wait.
We wait.
All right. You're going to go open the door for Miss LeBron. Ready?
Yeah.
Ding dong. Who's at the door?
Yeah.
What does Grandma have?
Cookie. Cookie.
How nice of you to have so many friends to
Cookies.
share, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And you're going to say, no one makes cookies like Grandma.
No one's cooking like Grandma.
And then the doorbell
Ding-dong.
rings again. But we never get to find out who's there. Ding dong. Do we have enough cookies now for everyone?
Yeah.
We do. Good job, Fred.